If you want to win some free PSN or Xbox gift cards, all you gotta do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, drop a like on this video, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Yo, what is up guys, it's ProKush. Welcome back to another Fortnite video, and in today's video I will be talking about how to become a pro at a shotgun and how to get better at killing people with them. If you guys could smack that like button, and let's go ahead for 100 likes on this video. So the first thing I want to mention is double pump was a very popular strategy with a shotgun, and that was nerfed now a little while ago. I will be showing some gameplays of the tactical shotgun and pump shotgun, but basically now what you do is you hit someone with a pump and switch over to your tactical and keep spraying the tactical until you kill the guy. But you have to make sure that you don't switch back to your pump, because there will be a reload animation and you're gonna die before you even try to shoot the pump. Shotgun is probably the best gun in the game as of right now, especially when you land in retail row or tilted towers. You have a chance to kill them by sound whoring or camping in one of the houses. A good tip for finding shotguns is you have to find them for floor spawns. What I mean is that they will be on floors and not in chests. First thing about shotguns is understand how to be a guide with them and how to destroy people with shotguns. A lot of people say, why did the shotgun do 10 damage and not kill him? They think it's a glitch, but no, it's the pellets. The more further the enemy is, the less damage it'll do, and also if you hit them in the foot, there is a possibility that it'll get 10 to 20 damage. Let's talk about how to win gunfights with the shotgun. Aim for the head. The damage of a shotgun could vary about 60 to 95 depending on going from a tactical to a pump. Headshots are the only way to basically kill someone easily. Chests take 2 to 3 shots and legs take a couple of shots. When you're in a 1v1, you will most likely win if you try to aim for the head. The best shotguns to pick up is either blue or rare, which is the epic one for the tactical, and for the pump it's the green one. Also, another tip is quick scope with your shotgun. Your aim will be better. Basically, when you see the enemy, left trigger, then right trigger, and boom, shoot real fast. It's like a quick scope with a sniper, but with a shotgun in a way. But these are all the tips, and I suggest you guys trying the tips out and practicing. Let me know in the comments below if you like the tips. Thanks for watching guys. If you could drop a like in this video, that would be very amazing, and I hope you did enjoy. Subscribe to your channel if you're new, and I'm out. Peace.